All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed concern over the continuous confiscation of property of the Kashmiris, saying that the BJP-led Modi government is using the policy of settlement to change the population ratio in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement said BJP-installed administration has confiscated the properties of 7 people in the Baramulla district in its latest move. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has written to the United Nations General Secretary Antonio Guterres, drawing the attention to the Narendra Modi-led Indian government's attempts to mislead the world by staging the parliamentary elections in the UN-recognized disputed territory of occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, in the letter, the APHC AJK convener said India is attempting to project a facade of the democracy. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has said that the Election Commission of India's move to defer the polls for the Islamabad Rajouri parliamentary seat was aimed at depriving the nomadic communities of their right to vote. The Kashmir Media Service reported that the election in the redrawn Islamabad Rajouri constituency was slated for May 7. However, the ECI rescheduled it for May 25th. Mehbooba Mufti, the president of the People's Democratic Party, has said that the BJP-installed authority in occupied Kashmir has deliberately delayed the elections in the Islamabad Rajouri seat to manipulate the voters in favor of the BJP allies and frighten the people not to exercise their franchise against the ongoing onslaught of the occupied Kashmir identity and the resources. Following the rains over the past few days, numerous roads, bridges, and the structures have suffered damages across the occupied Kashmir. The official statement issued said that the BJP-installed administration floods have wreaked havoc on the key infrastructure assets in the various districts of the occupied Kashmir.